So we just had the most expensive Yu-Gi-Oh sale of all time. Unless I guess you count people saying, oh, in the OCG there was this prize card and it sold for 1,000,000 and a bazillion and a billion and a bajillion. Apart from those, which I don't have definitive proof of, the highest Yu-Gi-Oh sale ever just happened. We had an LOB case, yes, a full case, going for sale on, I believe, Golden Auctions, which is like a big deal auction house. It's not just, you know, a random guy on eBay. It's a proper auction house. And it went for $475,000. And on top of that, you also have like this buyer's premium type of deal. So basically like a percentage that's on top of that, where the auction house basically makes a bunch of money as well. So yeah, that's pretty big. Like, that number is big press making a big deal out of this type big. I'm sure everyone will be losing their minds. You can expect some thumbnails from YouTubers going, very exciting stuff. Overall, this is kind of in line with what some people were predicting. Some people, you know, looked at certain box prices, and of course LOB boxes have been fluctuating wildly. Before the 2020 fall crazy boom, I want to say they were like 20k-ish. Then they started going up and up and up. You started seeing boxes, I think, reach like 30 or 40 max. And then they went down a little bit again. So, you know, typical for collectible speculative markets, it's very volatile. But this is basically in line with what people were expecting, at least the bullish people were expecting. So yeah, that's a hallmark, historic, massive sale going on there. Even higher than that last sale where we had an LOB case and an MRD case for like a crazy number. You can check it out on this channel. Now I'm sure many people are also going to be very controversial about this. Some people will say, oh, fake, layman fake. Others will say, oh, it's shill bidding. Yeah, that's it. This is just shill bidding. I saw PWCC did something allegedly and there's still no proof, but you know, bullshit there, bullshit everywhere. Am I right? Shill bidding. I think it's fair to always be skeptical, but also be aware that it's much harder for a rando to shill bid in a proper auction house like that than on eBay. You know, eBay, I can make an account right now and do it. It's not hard. And the repercussions are basically zero. Whereas in major auction houses like this, you know, it's a bit different. I saw somewhere that they will automatically charge your card regardless after 7 days or something like that. It's apparently a legally binding contract. Don't pin me on that, but you know, it's a bit of a bigger deal. Now, with that being said, it is possible. Shill bidding happens at every major auction house ever, but it's usually a very, very small percentage and it's still against the law. So automatically making that assumption is pretty, you know, it's useful to have it in the back of your mind, but I wouldn't automatically assume that that's the case, especially because this price is still somewhat in line with what we have seen for singular boxes and so forth. Now others, of course, will just go, oh, this is bullshit. The Yu-Gi-Oh cards should all be zero. It's just cardboard. This whole business is bullshit. Yeah, okay, sure. But those people, you know, we can just ignore those. Overall, it's just exciting. We can now all party and go, oh, cool, box sold for a lot. Yes, a lot of these markets are up. A lot of these markets are also a bit down. You know, after our euphoria, that kind of waned, and now we're in someone in a sideways moment, someone in a boring moment. We don't have open face thumbnails every second with new all-time highs. I do hope to do some more live streams where I just talk to everyone and go over my thoughts on the market, a little bit of sales, which cards do I like, and so forth. So be sure to subscribe, also like this video, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you soon. Ciao.